Good day guys, this is Hassan and welcome to CAD Gizmo. Friends, in this video we will draw another shape of AutoCAD practice series for the beginner students. So let's start the video. And before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. And friends, we have this shape and we are going to draw this in AutoCAD. So let's start it. First we draw a line like this and make the offset 8.6 units. Or enter and 8.6 units like this, and we are going to make offset of 4.2 units. Draw a line like this and make the offset 4.2 units. And change the layer like this and change the line type scale. So in this way we draw our lines with the offset tool. Now we are going to make this circle which have the radius of 5 units. See, enter and 5 and enter. So this is our circle. Now we make this circle which have the radius 19.5 units from this center point. See, enter 19.5 units. .3 units. Now we are going to make this circle which have the diameter of 102 units, and the center of this circle is 8.6 units line. 102 diameter, so draw it. Diameter of 102 units. So we copy it from this point to this point for this circle, this inner circle and this outer circle. Now we change the projection 0.3 and enter. So we have the offset of 14 units. Or enter and 14 units, enter like this. So in this way we make the circle. So guys, we are going to draw this circle which have the distance 15.3 from this line and 15.4 from this line. .3 units and 15.4 units. Like this. Now we see the dimensions. 15.3 units and 15.4 units. Here we draw a circle of diameter of 15 units. C for circle and press D for diameter and 15, enter. So we make this circle. Delete this and now we are finalize our drawing. TR double enter press MA and enter and match the properties. The TR double enter, we make this shape. So with TR double enter, we trim the extra lines like this and change the properties of this line. R enter and 0 enter, we fillet it. Now we draw a line like this and extend it. Now we make the fillet. With the TR double enter, we trim it. And draw a line from this line. TR double enter, and here we give the offset of 14 units. Let's check it with the align tool. Pressing F8, and now we have the dimension of 14 units. So this is correct. First we change the properties and delete this line, circle line, and fillet it with the F enter like this, and we are going to trim it. TR double enter like this. Now we are going to make this circle, and for that change the properties. Now we are going to make circle here. The TR double enter, we make the circle with the 10 radius with the 5 units like this and trim it. So in this way we draw our shape. Here we trim the line and make the shape like this with the radius 4. With the TR double enter, here we give the radius of 4 units like this and delete it. With the TR double enter and delete it. So our shape is ready like this. Now we are going to hatch it, and for that type H and enter and select any color and click on close hatch creation. Now we hatch small circle and we use this color and hatch it. So guys, in this way we draw this shape. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment, and guys, take care yourself and see you soon in the next video.